A colorimeter is an instrument that measures the absorbance or transmittance of light by a colored solution at a specific wavelength. It is used in routine clinical chemistry, e.g., glucose, urea, creatinine, water testing, and teaching laboratories to quantify analyte concentration via Beer-Lambert's law. It works on the principle that the amount of light absorbed by a solution is proportional to the concentration of the substance present. Principle of operation. When a monochromatic light beam passes through a uniformly colored solution, some light is absorbed. When monochromatic light passes through a uniformly colored solution, the amount of light transmitted decreases with increase in concentration of the number of absorbing molecules and increase in the length of the light path. Therefore, absorbance of the test solution is directly proportional to its concentration. Use of a colorimeter. Read the manufacturer's instructions before operating the instrument. Switch on the colorimeter and allow it to warm up for the required time as per manufacturer's instructions. Set the colorimeter at the correct wavelength or insert a correct filter for the substance to be measured, analyte. Arrange all the solutions required in a test tube rack. Carefully clean the cuvettes with a soft lens tissue. Transfer the blank solution into a cuvette and place the cuvette into a cuvette chamber with the clear side facing the direction of light to set the absorbance of the colorimeter to 0. Replace the blank with the standard solution S in the cuvette chamber. Read and record the absorbance of the standard S. Replace the standard with the test standard T in the cuvette chamber. Read and record the absorbance of the standard. Switch off the colorimeter and the main supply socket. Cover it with a plastic bag to protect it from the dust. Rinse the cuvette with clean water, distilled and allowed to drain dry. Calculate the concentration of the test solution from the absorbance of test divided by absorbance of standard multiplied by concentration of standard. Care and maintenance. Keep the colorimeter on a firm bench ready for use, near a power source but away from vibrations. Keep the colorimeter away from direct sunlight. Always cover the colorimeter with a plastic bag to protect it from dust when not in use. When not in use, disconnect the colorimeter from the socket, main power supply. Always protect the filters from dust and fingerprints. In case of spillages into the cuvette chamber, wipe away with a clean piece of cotton wool or gauze. Never attempt to dismantle any part of the colorimeter. All repairs must be made by qualified personnel. Sources of errors. Failure to mix well the sample or standard before reading absorbance. Inadequate incubation periods. Improper pipetting. Use of wrong filters for the solutions being tested. Use of contaminated reagents in preparation of the blank standard and test. Use of dirty glassware such as dirty test tubes. Use of dirty or scratched cuvettes. Wrong placing of the cuvettes in the cuvette chamber, i.e. with the frosted rough ends facing the light paths. Use of unrecommendable cuvettes other than those recommendable by the manufacturers. Reading solution with air bubble. High humidity, temperature extremes affecting electronics or reactions. Always remember, wear appropriate PPE, lab coat, gloves, eye protection. Handle biological samples as potentially infectious. Follow biosafety and waste disposal procedures. Use calibrated pipettes. Label all tubes clearly. Record times precisely. Follow the manufacturer's manual for instrument-specific steps and maintenance intervals.